Hey guys. Welcome to Dashing Gears. If you want to know about cars update, new technology, review and comparison, subscribe to my channel. Let's move on. In this video we are going to see about Hyundai ALCAZAR. After several SUVs like Venue, Creta and Tucson, Hyundai enters into MUV segment its ALCAZAR. It will be tough competitor for newly launched Tata Safari. Hyundai ALCAZAR comes with 6 and 7-seater. While comes to 6-seater arrangements it looks like Maruti Suzuki's XL6. The ALCAZAR was built by advanced high-strength steel and high-strength steel over 75%. The car comes in 3 variants: Prestige, Platinum and Signature, in which the Prestige is the base variant. Platinum is the mid variant and Signature is the top variant. The Hyundai ALCAZAR loaded with many futuristic features, which are first in the segment Hyundai claims, which gives you premium and comfort to the car. Let's see them in order. The first feature is Hyundai ALCAZAR comes with 10.25 inches, multi-display digital cluster, and has 8 speakers by Bose brand. The 10.25 inches, multi-display cluster comes only in mid and top variant. The next feature is Auto Healthy Air Purifier with AQI display, which one is a needed thing in India right now, as we know about the insufficient of oxygen made the country stumble due to second wave. States like Delhi it's most welcomed with this feature, as air quality is so poor. The Auto Healthy Air Purifier with AQI display is not available in base variant, manual transmission, but available in base variant automatic transmission base variant, also in mid and top variant. The second row comes with an cup holder and the device hold, where you can comfortable place your tablet and laptops. The front row sliding sun visor, side footstep and rear window sunshade are the additional features. Hyundai ALCAZAR is also loaded with some advanced and high-tech features, which receive the attention of the youngsters. The first one is voice-enabled smart panoramic sunroof. You can able to control the sunroof automatically with voice, without using any buttons and remote, which are available in all the variants. The second one is you can able to fold the second row seat automatically in a single touch, in order to occupy the third row seat, where you can tumble the seat automatically by touch as it is in Tesla models, no need of manual actions. The next high-tech feature is puddle lamps with Hyundai logo projection, which will project the Hyundai logo in the road. It is placed under the side mirrors, which is not available in base variant. In ALCAZAR you can able to drive in comfort, eco and sports mode. The driver's seat is powered in 8 ways, able to change the interior lightings. It has almost 64 ambient lightings, can be changed according to your mood, and also have connected car technology. Let's jump on to the engine segment. Hyundai's ALCAZAR comes with both petrol as well as diesel variants. In petrol variant it comes with an 2.0 liters petrol MPI engine with options of 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmissions. In diesel variant it comes with 1.5 liters diesel CRDI engine with options of 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmissions. Hyundai claims that the 2.0 liters petrol MPI engine with 6-speed manual transmission, it can go 0 to 100 kilometers in 9.6 seconds as Hyundai claims. The price ranges from 16 lakh rupees to 20 lakhs rupees. That's it for the quick view of Hyundai ALCAZAR. Please give your support by liking the video and comment down your valuable suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe Dashing Gears. Thanks for watching.